This screencast is for my interactive whiteboard assignment. I used ClassFlow to make this presentation. I chose a theme that they already had on the website. It was called Bubbles, and I liked it because it had these colorful circles down here, and then the background was white. I added these images of books from Bling that's provided on ClassFlow as well. And I use these because we're going to be talking about who characters are. I'm focusing on the UEN standard for English Language Arts for third grade, Standard 7, that talks about how illustrations and words are combined to know about a story. So we're concentrating on characters at this point in the lesson. I added text and images on this, and I also added a little sound to catch the students' attention, and would talk about the three elements of what a character is. Here's more text of definitions that I want to teach students about what a protagonist, an antagonist, a dialogue, and stereotype is that they will encounter when they read a story. This is a link to a worksheet that talks about the three elements of characterization that the students can get that will help them as they apply what they learned from this lesson into their own writing. Here is the video from YouTube, and this is a read aloud of the story we're going to use to learn about characterization.
We're going to read Today I Feel Silly.
This is where they'll take an assessment to apply what they've learned and interact more in the lesson. And to show you these questions, I have to exit out of here. And here you can see the 4 questions are right here. There's 4 questions that talk about the story that are specifically from the story that they saw in the video. And then on my last slide, I have this red circle that this shape that I put in, and I anchored it in. That's why it has a little anchor sign. And then I duplicated it right here. And so after the students have gone through this lesson, they interact with the lesson because they're taking the quiz all together, but then they're also going to be applying what they learned about the illustrations and the words and the 3 elements and incorporate that into their writing assignment that they'll do about a story. And that's it. Thank you.